Gates open, they're up and racing. McDollar draws for your lead, running by the rail, dancing tight to grab the lead. Treasured Axe down in third and Dottie outside. Angel Dugo, followed now by Gundam, So Gorgeous. Then comes Moneybank and Dottie outside is Warstar. Heading towards the 3/4 mile pole, dancing tight in command by about 4 lengths. Treasured Act moving up to take second. Down in third, McDollar. Angel Dugos running in fourth. Down in fifth, Gundam, followed by Warstar, So Gorgeous, and Moneybank is bringing up the rear. Heading towards the last 900, dancing tight by about 3 lengths. Treasured Act moving up to take second. Ori outside. Angel Dugo, McDollar dropping back in fourth. Down in fifth, Gundam, So Gorgeous, Moneybank by the rail, and Warstar now in behind them. Heading towards the last 600. We have McDollar moves up from the outside, running by the rail. Second now is Treasured Act. Angel Dugo, Gundam also closing in. Heading towards the last 450. Now we have McDollar by 3/4 of a length lead. Treasured Act is by the rail. Gundam is on the outside. Third, Angel Dugo is in fourth. As they swing for home, McDollar leading the field. Treasured Act is by the rail. Angel Dugo, Gundam is on the outside. So Gorgeous and Moneybank with the last 150 more to run. McDollar, Treasured Act is by the rail. Gundam is in third. Treasured Act now over McDollar by about half length. This time by a length. And finally, Treasured Act, McDollar, Gundam, Moneybank, So Gorgeous. For your pentapecta, then comes Angel Dugo, dancing tight, and Warstar.